All right, so for the second question today, I want to hear from you where you're using artificial intelligence today. Where do you know you're using artificial intelligence today? And maybe take a guess, a stab at perhaps some of the areas in day-to-day life that you don't even realize you're using artificial intelligence or that it's impacting your life.
On a regular basis, the most common use cases for me is ChatGPT or any of these large language models for to go through files quickly, to analyze them, summarize them, to consume content with greater intent and better precision as to extracting only the relevant pieces from a piece of content and stuff like that. Also, a lot of coding that I do, programming that I do, the code that I write is AI generated now. So those are some of the direct use cases that I can think of. But some of the other use cases that in which AI is heavily involved, and I wouldn't pay attention to it until this question, are like Amazon or Netflix recommendation algorithms, and the way Netflix is able to come up with good recommendations that align with what you might want to watch, or Amazon just like sometimes it's the exact product that you haven't searched for yet that pops up on an Amazon dashboard. So stuff like that are cases where AI has been used pretty well. Yeah.
Have you considered things like civil engineering, perhaps traffic control, airports, trains, just our supply chain management, their use of AI that impacts our day-to-day life, right? So someone like Amazon who does shipping, drop shipping and stuff like that, are they using artificial intelligence, and is that impacting your life?
Oh yeah, the fact that there are over I recently read that every Amazon order, from the moment you click to its delivery, there are over 22 steps, and there's a lot of automation and artificial intelligence involved in making the logistical process smooth, and also as for transportation and airports, or even on road, we have these cameras with the visual recognition, and they read your number plates, or if they're
red light cameras,
if you're
and whatnot.
overspeeding, send you an automatic ticket if you're overspeeding and stuff like that. So these are some very useful use cases of AI that have been prominently all around us without us noticing. So yeah.
Let's finish with this question. If you had the ear of the government, what do you think that they should hear from the populace in order to be able to guide their decision making moving forward on their involvement with artificial intelligence?
So if I had their ear, I would pull it and shout into it and tell them to make ChatGPT free for us. But on a serious note, I think firstly, the first step for government is to educate itself, have people who have real knowledge of AI and what its real use cases are, what the potential dangers are, how ethics need to be involved, how public, how the amount of control that a lot of corporations have over AI right now, over the public-facing AI use cases, which are LLMs. The control that these corporations have right now needs to be there needs to be an overlooking authority, which is the government, and the AI policy and the AI ethics that are involved when data is shared, or with AI models, or the data on which these models are trained on. These need to be overlooked by the government. So yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you for taking part in the interview today, and enjoy the rest of SIGGRAPH, and we'll see you at the next Vancouver AI event at the end of this month.
Thanks, Alvaro.